Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Everlance App. We will also put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the App Store to download the app. To start, tap on the link in the description box. Then you will be directed to the screen. To download the app, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. To create an account, you can continue with email, with Apple, or with Google. In this video, we're going to sign up with an email. If you wish to use a different option, just tap on the option you wish to select. But if you also chose to continue with email, enter the email you wish to use on the field provided. Then tap on Continue. Next, create a password. Enter it on the field provided, then tap on the Create Account button. Now, select your employment status. Tap on the option applicable, then tap on Next. After that, select what do you do for work. Then you need to allow location tracking. To allow, tap on Next. Also, if you wish to enable push notifications, tap on the button that says Enable Notifications. Otherwise, tap on the Not Now, Maybe Later option. Lastly, to start the free trial subscription, tap on Start 7-Day Free Trial. This will be a 1-week free trial, then the next subscription would be $59.99 per year. Confirm the subscription to proceed. And now you're all set. That's how you sign up for Everlance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.